Alright, so we got the grooves in for the ball detents, and I got a little scratch there from the micrometer, but we just ran some 400 grit wet dry on the shaft with 90 weight, and we're polished in 375. Beauty. Hard to beat that. I didn't really care too much about the actual drive portion of it being kind of snotty. I guess I could polish that too if I wanted to, but it's fine. So yeah, it's a little scratch there from the anvil. Don't care about that too much. But we're polished in 375, and now I just need to profile this for the gear, and I think I'll take some time away from this before I screw it up and regroup a little bit. I want to take it real slow. This part's got, like, I don't know, 10 hours into it now, something like that. So it's really easy to botch this at the finish line. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to mess up our part right at the finish line. So we're going to take a break and do something else for a little while and not rush the part into destruction. And then hopefully we'll get the milling machine's power feedback together again, and hopefully it engages. The detents are a little bit deeper than they're supposed to be, but maybe that's okay. I don't know. It'll be more positive acting. It won't just slip in and out. It'll lock in. It might be a little bit more stressful on the mechanism. We'll have to see how it feels before we lock that drive gear on the shaft and see if it's going to be a problem. If it's going to be a problem, then I'll have to make another one. Hopefully it's not a problem. So we'll just see how it goes. I think it's going okay. This is part number 3, so I don't know. Maybe third time's a charm? Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see.